Okay everyone, welcome to Overland Expo 2019. We're on the final day here today, Sunday morning. We've been overwhelmed with the kind words, positive feedback, lots of people interested in the truck obviously, and lots of you guys coming out to say hi. It's been really heartwarming to see how many of you know us. You all know our truck very well, I'm sure. So I thought I'd give you a little tour of some of the other stuff going on here this weekend. So, as some of you will already know, our vehicle was selected as a showcase vehicle here at Overland Expo 2019. We've been placed out here in the ditch between the main exhibitor area and the rest of the DIY stuff to act as a lure, enticing all the people. So let's check out some of these other Overland rigs, give you a quick tour of each of them.
Bevan Walsh, Instagram channel is Pinzgauer. This is our 2007 Freightliner quad cab ambulance conversion with MRAP axles. The back has been set up very basically with very basic modifications for two of us to live in full time. It includes a walk-in shower toilet. We also use the front cab section as a second bedroom.
Very nice.
We're Jason and Kate Peraza, and this is our 1975 Steyr Pinzgauer. We went from an FJ40 to a vehicle that we could travel overland in. We wanted to visit the old mining and ghost towns of the West and have a vehicle that could take us up those old roads. And it turned out that the Pinzgauer was the vehicle for the task.
Hey Jason, this is a 1978 Mercedes 508D. We live in here full time. We've got a family of four. We're just having our pancakes and eggs this morning, trying to fuel up for the day. It's an interesting vehicle. It was in service as part of the German Fire Force as a command and control center, so we still have working lights and sirens and our aerial mast. Yeah, it's a pretty unique rig, but we love it. You can find us on Instagram at Afuera Vida, AFFUERA VIDA. We'll be on the road the next few years on the way to Argentina.
All right, so I'm Matt.
And I'm Amy.
We're the Traveling Together Journal. You can find us on YouTube and Instagram and such by that name. This is our Overland vehicle. It is a 1995 Toyota T100, four-wheel drive with a manual transmission. And then we built our own camper out of plywood and fiberglass. And we have a sleeping platform in the rear and a refrigerator, solar system. And we drove it for about 2 years through Mexico and Central America.
And our YouTube channel documents the build as well as our adventure travel through all of those countries.
So this is our 95 Defender. It's an ex-military from Medicine Hat, Suffield, Alberta. And it was used in the desert training area for the British military. And when we picked it up, someone had redone it. And we've redone a lot of stuff again. The Elecab roof gives us enough room to live inside, and bedroom upstairs and downstairs.
My name is Randy Wafel, and you're looking at an M1078 that was retired from the U.S. military. It's a 1969 or a 1996. And I chose it because I like the big trucks. I'm a little enamored with T5 trucks from Dakar and that kind of racing. My wife and I are retired, and I wanted something with some off-road capability. Like so many of the others that are into these vehicles, not to go crazy off-road, but to be able to get off a fire trail and find a good camping site.
All right. Hi there, I'm Monica Yeager, and this is my husband Jeff Yeager, and this is our rig.
We're from Phoenix, Arizona. This is 97 LX 470, 450. We also have a LX 470 over here as well. We built this rig to go through the Pan Am. Between Land Cruisers, we did a combined about 80,000 miles through North, Central, and South America. We built the interior ourselves, and we're looking for the next trip. You can see the map here of some of the routes we've done. Kind of a fun fact, we were at Overland Expo in 2012 with this car just sleeping in the back. Went to a few roundtables and classes and decided, hey, we can do this. Quit our jobs a couple weeks later and rented out our house and hit the road.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm David. This is my 2001 Toyota Land Cruiser HCJ 78. Bought it in Germany 4 years ago with 36,000 miles on the clock. I've done 100,000 miles on it in 4 years. It's got a pop-up roof with, and I altered the bed inside so that the bed pops up independently of the roof. So the bed's already made up, always made up in there, so I can just drop the bed down and jump into bed. The cabinets I've now altered twice to make more space, to accommodate the massive refrigerator. It's just got a single burner stove, no sink, but there's a simple electric tap on the water tank. My philosophy is just try and keep things simple.
And there's this guy.
Good morning.
What's your deal, bro? Show me about this.
Today.
Show me about this 5.9 Land Cruiser.
This is BJ42 from Canada. We put the R2.8 in it from Cummins, and MV4500 transmission, so 5-speed manual with the stock transfer case. Steelman seats in there.
Cool.
So it's super comfy, even though it's a 40 series. And we've got sports rig trailer behind us. So we're going to be running super light trailers. Trailer weighs like 250 pounds. We're getting 21 miles to the gallon right now. We'll probably do better.
Cool.
This thing's breaking a little bit.
Yeah, I was
We lighten up
mistaken.
the load. So we're driving to Panama. We're planting trees along the way to do it carbon neutral. So.
Cool. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. That's going to be it for this one. It's snowing and raining and sleeting. Everyone's wrapping up and heading out. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.